Hi, good morning. In previous video, we have discussed about what is stationary robots and what is mobile robots, and now we are going to discuss about the applications of IoT in robotics. We have a vast variety of applications applications of robotics in IoT. The integration of IoT with robotics has opened up numerous applications across various sectors for ensuring efficiency, automation, intelligence. We have some industrial applications also. We have let's discuss about an applications and where we are using those in a real time manner. First is an IoT. In IoT applications, we have received a data from patient through a doctor. We are receiving a patient data through patient diagnosis. Then it will transmit to an it will that will be stored in somewhere like a robot, and we are having an measurements like medical sensors. We are implementing that with robots. We are having a medical sensors that will measure the patient's measurements and diagnose with the doctor, and those to be stored in the stored with the robotics, and it will control diagnosis, and that patient data to be transmitted to the internet, and based on that data the patient profile will be created, and healthcare provider will provide some prescriptions to those patient. That healthcare can provide prescriptions, and they can have a patient profile without directly communicating the patient. He can diagnose that patient. So this is the place where we are using an IoT or robotics in IoT applications. Here, without the interventions of healthcare, the robot itself can diagnose the patients by giving a prescriptions, and but there should be some human intervention will be there, so that they can perform give a high efficiency for diagnosing. But some of the tasks can be automated by using those robotics. That robots will sensor data of patient that can be stored directly to the internet. That data to be transferred to the health carer. Then he will give the prescriptions, or any other diagnosis he will give, or else based on that instruction from the health carer, that robotic itself can perform some tasks. Itself can provide diagnosis and give treatment to the patient. In industrial automation, we are having a different application type, and we are having a different uh, task performance, like system maintenance, manufacturing, automation, home automation, medical assistance, entertainment, military. These are we are having a different applications in IoT. First, let's start discuss about an industrial applications. Like industrial and manufacturing applications, we're having a smart factories. In that, robotic arms and cobots will be used. Cobots are working alongside human workers and performing tasks like assembly, welding, painting, and quality inspection. And there are predictive maintenance also it will provide. IoT sensors monitor the health of robotic systems and predicting failures before they occur, and scheduling maintenance to avoid downtime. There's supply chain optimization are there. Automated guided vehicles and drones for internal logistics, inventory management, and real-time tracking of goods and materials. This can be performed in industrial automations and manufacturing. In previous PPT, we have discussed about how it is used in a healthcare assistance. In medical assistance, there will be a surgical robots will be there. Precision robotic systems for minimally invasive surgeries guided by real-time data and remote assistance from surgeons. Nowadays, robotic knee replacements will be there. Currently, it's a trending one for diagnosing a knee replacement, and telepresence robots also there allows doctors to remotely monitor and interact with patients, especially useful in telemedicines and remote consultations. And rehabilitation robots will be there to assist patients in physical therapy and providing a customized exercise and monitoring progress. We are using robotics in applications also. Drones used for crop monitoring, spraying pesticides, and planting seeds. collecting data on soil health and crop conditions and weather patterns. Autonomous tractors and harvesters are so that to perform such tasks like plowing, planting, and harvesting with high precision and reducing labor cost, and it will increase efficiency. Soil and crop monitoring will be there. IoT sensors provides real-time data on soil monitor, nutrient levels, crop health, and enabling informed decision making so that it will be give the high yield productivity. So that it will that it will, if it is working as an effective manner, then it will perform high productions and yield, so that farmers can easily have some have perform well, so that they will be in a interest in doing farming. Then it will be used in a logistic and supply chain. Here automated warehousing like robotic picking systems equipped with the advanced vision systems to pick and place items in warehousing, increasing it will so that it will increase speed and accuracy. Inventory management like IoT enabled systems track inventory levels and predict on demand products and automate restocking processes. Delivery drones used for last mile delivery, reducing delivery times and operational cost. And also it is used in smart home, also home automation for cleaning robots, vacuuming and mopping robots that clean floors immediately. Security and surveillance like IoT security cameras, drones, and robotic patrol units that monitor and secure premises. Assistive robots will provide assistance with daily tasks such as fetching items and reminding users for schedules and controlling other smart home devices. Public and safety surveillance, retail and customer services, and for entertainment, live interaction at public places like cinema, shopping malls, museums, and amusement parks that we are using an IoT. Environmental monitoring, management, drones and robots, and smart irrigation system, disaster management. These are the things that we are useful for environment management. Then military applications, battlefield monitoring, drone attacks, underwater monitoring, and autonomous surveillance. These are the major applications that we are using in IoT applications. Then for in this we are having a distributor surveillance camera can assist robot in locating and changing stations in environment charging stations in environment. The charging stations was placed between a green and yellow visual mark location A, and visual markers of same colors were placed elsewhere in the environment to simulate distractors. Visual processing is performed on demand on the camera nodes to inform the robot that the charging station is at location A, not at the distracting B. These are the technologies that are used for data exchanges in IoT, like proximity, WLAN, PAN, WAN. We are having a different technologies under that PAN, like Bluetooth, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and then IEEE 802.11, W-SUN, Zigbee, NAN. These are the different technologies that are used for data exchange in IoT applications. Thank you. This is how the data exchanges between a robot and about we are having different applications that data can be transmitted from robots like ground robots, mobile robot, agent vehicle, smart home robots, underwater robots, small satellite UAV, airplane. These are where we can exchange data from real time data to the AI there, so that they can perform some decisions. They can make some decisions and perform according to that, and perform tasks according to that. So we're having a vast variety of applications of IoT in different domains. Based on that applications we are designing the we have to design those give instruction to the robots, and we have to design the robots to perform some task. Thank you.